BCA Computer Networks. Unit 1 Transmission Mode. Transmission mode. The way in which data is transmitted from one device to another device is known as transmission mode.
The transmission mode is also known as a communication mode.
Each communication channel has a direction associated with it, and transmission media provide the direction. Therefore, the transmission mode is also known as a directional mode.
The transmission mode is defined in the physical layer.
The transmission mode is divided into three categories: Simplex mode, Half-Duplex mode, Full-Duplex mode.
Let us understand these categories on the basis of comparison. So, on the basis of direction of communication. In Simplex mode, the communication is unidirectional. Whereas, in Half-Duplex mode, the communication is bidirectional, but one at a time. Whereas, in Full-Duplex mode, the communication is bidirectional.
On the basis of send-receive. In Simplex mode, a device can only send the data but cannot receive it, or it can only receive the data but cannot send it. Whereas, in Half-Duplex mode, both the devices can send and receive the data, but one at a time. Whereas, in Full-Duplex mode, both the devices can send and receive the data simultaneously.
On the basis of performance. In Simplex mode, the performance of Half-Duplex mode is better than the Simplex mode. Whereas, in Half-Duplex mode, the performance of Full-Duplex mode is better than the Half-Duplex mode. Whereas, in Full-Duplex mode, the Full-Duplex mode has better performance among Simplex and Half-Duplex mode, as it doubles the utilization of the capacity of the communication channel.
Examples of Simplex mode are radio, keyboard, and monitor. Example of Half-Duplex is walkie-talkies. Example of the Full-Duplex mode is a telephone network. Advantage of Simplex mode. In Simplex mode, the station can utilize the entire bandwidth of the communication channel so that more data can be transmitted at a time.
Disadvantage of Simplex mode. Communication is unidirectional, so it has no intercommunication between devices.
Advantage of Half-Duplex mode. In Half-Duplex mode, both the devices can send and receive the data and also can utilize the entire bandwidth of the communication channel during the transmission of data.
Disadvantage of Half-Duplex mode. In Half-Duplex mode, when one device is sending the data, then another has to wait. This causes the delay in sending the data at the right time.
Advantage of Full-Duplex mode. Both the stations can send and receive the data at the same time.
Disadvantage of Full-Duplex mode. If there is no dedicated path exists between the devices, then the capacity of the communication channel is divided into two parts. For more updates, follow the BCA World on Instagram and subscribe the BCA World on YouTube.